One of them. Oh, up, go, go.
I got him, Andy. Keep it on the hole.
Mm-hmm.
No, it shouldn't be. No, it's just not feeding.
You got him, John?
I'm not sure.
Hold on. You see that black fence post?
The one that's leaning to the right?
Yeah, he's just to the left. There he goes. Just stood up. You see him?
Yep, I was on him.
You got him?
Yeah.